you doing?
You wanna go?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go!
We're in Nuwara Eliya. Not quite in the city, we're actually a little bit above it, as you can see. We're just leaving our Airbnb and walking up to Lover's Leap Waterfall. This is a really nice waterfall up here that we're gonna go see. It's very far away from everyone else, but it's actually very near our Airbnb. So, heading on up. And we'll see if it's worth it. Nuwara Eliya is famous for tea farms, actually.
Yeah.
Tea factories, tea plantations, tea farms. So the entire place is covered in like tea plantations everywhere.
But Sri Lanka is already famous with tea. That's why they call Sri Lanka as Ceylon's country, because they are really famous with tea and have really good teas.
Huh. Okay. So we're actually visiting a tea plantation later, and I'm not even sure why we're visiting one, because like they're everywhere. Just go ask people questions. Taney, we found it. We can go home. We should go up here. We don't know where we are. We're looking around. All right, let's go. If we end up on a farm. Oh God. We're talking about walking up this high, and this place actually is not very high, but it's the highest altitude we've been so far on our trip. And Taney says that
Viagra helps for
Viagra helps altitude sickness.
But yeah, it's real, because apparently, I'm not sure if I can tell that here, but
we're not scientists.
Apparently, Korean government, that ex-government who got kicked off, the government had a lot of Viagra pills. And President Park and government said it's because altitude, like that thing. That's why they had a lot of Viagra.
I feel like on video we're always staring at Taney's ass going up the stairs. We should put my ass in the video. We're close. Going under this horrible death trap. Careful. You're good. Horrible death trap fence. Yeah. We came from there. We came from there. From there. You're here.
Hello everyone, we made it!
Your little voice?
Hello everyone, we made it!
There we go. It's very, very beautiful. I know we always say that, but You can't just climb stuff like this in every place and find stuff.
It's more like incredible.
You work in Korea, we both work in Korea, and you don't want to do this kind of stuff.
I want to do this kind of stuff.
Oh, we want to, but you work all day. You don't have any time at the end of the day. Weekends are for sleeping.
Like that? Oh
Yeah.
no, of course not.
You don't take the time for stuff like this.
Yeah, I want to order food and then be at home and sleep.
Exactly.
And watch a good movie.
We both work like 10 hours a day. You know, you don't have time for this. This took all day. We still got a tea plantation after this. We can't work.
So I've never climbed this kind of trail.
Yeah.
It's really steep, and actually there was no trail. Just like
Yeah,
mountain.
at one point there was no trail. We just had to push through the forest.
Just like I needed to climb with my. I was thinking like I have 4 legs, like animal.
Yeah,
I had to
hands
climb
and
with
legs.
my hands.
Otherwise you gotta fall. The last place we came up almost fell. Like, it's very slippery. Yeah, there's a foreigner who looks like Jeff Bridges here. And a waterfall. Go.
I can tell there are not a lot of tourists here because it's so hard to come up here.
Yeah.
They can take tuk-tuk too here, so.
It's tuk-tuk like a third of the way. There is a few people here. There's people here and there's some people down here and here. But we're really the only, there's like less than 10 people up here.
Yeah, and there are local people, I think.
Yeah, it's mostly local. Yeah! This trip is all about 50-50, yeah. Yes.
My ass is bad because of the waterfall, and I sat down for a picture. So my ass is so wet.
Asses
Just
are
one
wet.
ass away.
We're on our way down now.
Oh, my ass is like 2, but why it's not asses? Why it's ass?
I will explain it to you. I will explain it to you. Like, 1 ass, 2 ass cheeks, but we don't say ass 1, ass 2. It's like ass cheek 1, ass cheek 2. So I sat on my ass, 1 ass. Or we sat on our asses, because there's 2 of us, but only 1 ass.
Then why?
Tune in next week for Farewell Alarms English Edition. We just discovered that our way went up. It was not the easy way. This is the easy way. Very easy.
Our way was like no way.
Our way
and
was
we make own way.
Our way was so hard. This trail is incredibly easy. Oh look, tuk-tuks if you don't want to walk.
Oh,
What the hell are we doing? What are we doing on the other side?
New experience?
Wouldn't be a climb without Snickers. Ooh. We're going right there. Pedro Farm. Still a little bit of extra time for today. We thought we would try to find the Pedro tea factory and try to see how tea is processed. And picked, apparently.
Pick the peat? Yeah,
Pick the peat. At the Pedro estate, drinking tea, hanging out.
I got one more.
2 teas, don't tell anyone. And we're waiting for the tour. We're gonna go take a tour around. Learn as much as we can about tea.
Well, firstly, tea.
Free tea is always the best tea.
Oh, it smells very good.
We're starting the tour.
This is the way to pick 2 leaves
also can, but only young, tender leaf. Hard leaf, no good. It fall down and become fertilizer. No.
This is where they dry the leaves. So most of the tour was a little secretive, but we found out that the workers in the field have to fill 18 kilos of, I guess, their bags every day.
Yeah.
And if you don't, you lose money. If you do more, you get more money. And they get paid about $5.50 a day. But they get their housing covered.
But they work 8 hours every day.
No, wasn't it 10? Was it 10 or 8?
8 hours.
8 hours every
Yeah.
day. And then most of the tea actually gets made at night because it drops down to about 10 degrees at night here. So they make the tea in the cold. Apparently it makes it better. Cool little tour.
I'm from Korea. Yeah, Korea. South Korea.